Hello and welcome back to Total Awesome Barbecue. Today I'm going to be doing some kebabs with wood kebab sticks, which I've got soaking in some water at the moment. And what I'm going to do, I'll be chopping up some potatoes into slices, and in between them all I'm going to be putting some pork and beef mince. Not my own recipe, I saw it on Instagram the other day and I thought I'll give that a go. And also I'll be putting the classic barbecue seasoning over it to give it some flavour. So yeah, let's get into this. Right, so first of all I've got my, I'm going to put the pork mince into a bowl. And I'm going to give them a squeeze. I've not got any curly bits and it's workable. That'll do. Put some of this classic barbecue seasoning in. Give that a mix. Right, once that's sorted, let's get to the potatoes. I have no idea how many potatoes I'm going to need. I'm going to keep the skins on, but what I need to do, take the end off, that'll go in my compost. I want to cut them thinly, because I want them to cook through. If I did them too thick, then it'll take ages for them to cook and the meat will be done before the potato. Yeah, just thin-ish, sort of like a beer mat sort of thickness, sort of, you know, like a beer coaster, that sort of thing. One more out of that one. Chop the end off. If you find any black bits like that, just throw them away. I do find a lot of supermarket potatoes do tend to have these black bits in them. So yeah, just keep cutting them till you find you've got some clean bits, because you don't want that bit. Now we've got that, what I'm going to do, instead of using just one per one, I'm going to use two, so it gives it a bit of structure like that. So then put it through one, just like so. Because what you'll find, if you just use one, it will just keep spinning inside it. Doing like that gives it a bit more structure. And just grab a bit of meat, make a little ball or something. Probably not that much. Sort of like, I'm guessing this make like as if you're making a small little patty, like a burger. And just put it through like that. And then put another one. That one went a bit skew with. Right. I'll put that there. What I'll do is I'll carry on with the one, just skewer that one through all of them. Right, let's carry on. And there you go. I end up making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the end. And enough for a little patty for me as a burger. Bit nice privilege. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sprinkle these with the classic barbecue again. There you go. Alright, let's get these coals on and get them on. Alright, now it's come up to temperature and warmed up the grill grate. Let's give it a scrape. Now we're going to do it this way so it's kind of away from the heat. So I'm not entirely convinced that these things aren't going to burn. Thinking maybe I should have lit up the other barbecue as well. But all mate do. Stick with it. Muddy with pattern in there. Right, let's get this lid on, give it 20 minutes and see where we're at. Right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's have a quick peek. Oh, look at those. Lovely. Turn these out, they're a bit hot. Just have to be careful, I left my tongs inside. And the great thing is, because I soaked the sticks, they're not burning. Lovely. Jubbly. Right. Now we turn them over, we'll put the lid back on and give it another 20 minutes. Right, it's been another 20 minutes, let's have a quick look at these. Oh, look at those. They are looking gorgeous. Oh, look at that. They look lovely. And my little burger. Actually looking forward to trying that actually. Right, let's get these on a plate, let them cool down a bit and give them a taste test. And there you go. Look at that. Now I'm going to eat these with some ranch. That's it. All Americans that are probably shouting at the screen right now, we do your type of ranch, but this is a more spicy ranch. It's called Buffalo Ranch. It's very nice. I don't know if you can get that in America, but we get this in our local supermarket. We're going to have some of that on there. Give this a go. a little dry, but the flavour's there. Probably could have done with like 20 minutes on one side and like 10 minutes on the other side. But yeah, these are nice. Look gorgeous. They taste gorgeous. It's just that teeny bit dry. The sauce helps. Yeah, they're tasty. Just a learning curve. Do 20 minutes on one side and then just give it like 5 or 10 minutes on the other side, just checking it, because it's not totally dried out, but parts are dry. That's the meat side of it. Potatoes, perfect. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell as well, so that you know when I next upload a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.